Welcome back to Royal Grand Motors. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most talked about travel machines of the year, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome, a $60,000 luxury camper van designed for modern adventurers who want freedom, comfort, and style in a single compact home. From the very first glance, this Toyota Motorhome feels special. It carries sleek aerodynamic body lines, oversized panoramic windows, and a clean, futuristic exterior that instantly elevates it above ordinary camper vans. Drone flyovers reveal its smooth roof profile, while slow-motion side shots highlight the LED lights and streamlined edges that make it look more like a mini luxury yacht on wheels. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped it with a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you smooth acceleration, stable highway cruising, and enough power to confidently climb steep mountain roads. Toyota's suspension tuning absorbs bumps effortlessly, making long journeys feel easy and relaxing. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. With soft ambient lighting, warm color tones, and intelligently crafted materials, the interior feels like a compact luxury apartment. The lounge area smoothly converts into a comfortable bed, making the space versatile for both daytime relaxation and peaceful nighttime sleep. The panoramic side windows flood the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and relaxing environment no matter where you park. The kitchenette is another highlight, featuring a compact stove, sink, refrigerator, and ample storage for travel essentials. Whether you're preparing a simple snack or cooking a full meal, the kitchen layout makes everything effortless. The compact bathroom includes a shower and toilet, a major convenience for long-distance travelers who prefer privacy and independence on the road. Moving toward the front, the tech-focused cockpit welcomes you with a large infotainment touchscreen supporting navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone integration, and easy access to travel apps. Toyota's advanced safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision assistance, turning long road trips into smoother, more secure adventures. The cabin has plenty of smart storage spaces, hidden compartments, foldable shelves, and multi-use surfaces that make the most of every inch. One of the biggest strengths of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is customization. Toyota allows buyers to personalize almost every corner of the van, from interior formats and seat materials to exterior paint options, roof racks, bike mounts, and off-grid add-ons. This means every owner can shape a motorhome that perfectly matches their lifestyle, whether they're weekend travelers, long-term nomads, or full-time creators living on the road. All of these features come together to justify the surprisingly attractive $60,000 price tag, making it one of the most budget-friendly luxury motorhomes in its class. Scenes of beach parking at sunrise, nighttime ambient lights glowing softly, and the van cruising smoothly through winding mountain roads show just how versatile and comfortable this camper really is. This motorhome isn't just about driving, it's about living with freedom, discovering new places, and enjoying the journey as much as the destination. It turns every trip into a cinematic experience. And with Toyota's reliability behind it, owners can travel confidently for years without worry. As we wrap up this cinematic look at the 2025 Toyota Motorhome, it's clear that this vehicle is more than a camper. It's a lifestyle upgrade built for dreamers, explorers, and anyone ready to embrace the open road. Thank you for watching Royal Grand Motors. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury automotive breakdowns and travel-ready machines. Your next journey starts now.